Hey there, fellow traders. I know trading can be tough, and you're probably tired of taking losses. But don't worry, I've got a free strategy that could help you make some money from trading. First, head over to TradingView and pick the chart you want to trade on. I'm going with the Bitcoin chart on a 5-minute time frame, but feel free to choose any chart you like. Now, it's time to add our first indicator, the CM Ultimate MAMFT V4. Go to the indicator section and search for CM Ultimate MAMFT V4. Add this indicator to your chart. Now let's make some adjustments in the settings. Now you'll see a colored ribbon on your chart. If the ribbon is green, we have an upward momentum in the market. If it's red, the current market momentum is downward. So, how do we trade with this indicator? Well, for a buy trade, we need an upward trend. Then, we wait for the price to pull back into the green ribbon. Once the price exits the green ribbon, that's our buy signal. For a sell signal, we need to be in a downward trend. Next, we wait for the price to pull back into the red ribbon. As soon as the price exits the red ribbon, that's our sell signal. Alright, we're going to dive into how we can filter out those lower potential signals. To do this, we're going to use a handy tool called the Wada-Atar Explosion Indicator. Once you've got this indicator up on your chart, you'll need to tweak some settings. Don't worry, I'll walk you through the adjustments I've made so you can follow along. Now, this indicator has two lines, known as the explosion line and the dead line, as well as a histogram. Here's where it gets interesting. If we get a buy signal and simultaneously see a green bar on the histogram above both these lines, bingo! We've got ourselves a high potential buy signal. On the flip side, if we get a sell signal and there's a red bar on the histogram above both the explosion line and the dead line, that's a high potential sell signal. So if you're ready to jump into a trade, there are a few rules we need to follow. For a buy trade, we first need to confirm an upward trend. Next, we wait for the price to test the ribbon. After that, we look for the price to break out of the green ribbon. Finally, to confirm the buy signal, we need the WAE indicator to validate this signal. Now, with all these conditions met, you can open a buy position. After that, you should set the stop loss of the trade under the recent swing low. Then set the trade target to 1.5 times the risk. Now let's talk about sell trades. First off, we need to be sure we're dealing with a downward trend. Once that's established, keep your eyes peeled for the price to touch base with the ribbon. Following this, we are on the lookout for the price to make a break, this time out of the red ribbon. The final step in the process is getting the green light from the WAE indicator to confirm the sell signal. With all these boxes checked, you're all set to open a sell position. Next up, set your stop loss above the recent swing high. And lastly, aim for a trade target that's 1.5 times your risk. But what if you're new to trading, lack technical analysis skills, yet you're eager to profit from trading? Well, you're in luck. This video is tailor-made just for you. So don't hesitate. Dive right in and start watching. You'll be trading like a pro in no time.